Listen up. This 85-year-old, after 35, 40 years of excruciating pain, from a pain level of 0 being no pain at all, 10 being unbearable, she described her pain level at a 13. She had had multiple back surgeries. Now listen up. Okay, Julie, go ahead. Tell me your update with your person.
So she is, I believe she's around 85, and it's my friend Dusty's grandma. She has been in chronic pain for at least 35, 40 years. And yeah, I guess she slipped on a banana peel when she was younger. I think she was a teacher or something. And ever since then, she's had back surgeries, and I don't know if the back surgery did something to where it ended up, she has neuropathy really bad in her feet now. And she has been in, when she says pain, like she describes it as like a 13. It's that bad. She'll call my friend like in the middle of the night crying, saying she doesn't know if she can go on. The pain's so bad. And Dusty and her husband will go over, and she's just like rocking herself back and forth in pain. And so it's severe. It's very severe. And she has had 0 pain with the ice wave patches. Zero.
Oh my gosh.
And she has not had this ever. She said she's done acupuncture. She goes to some doctor that will like work on special, concoctions to try and help her out. And it works for a little bit. She said it just kind of takes away the pain a little bit. It's never completely gone. It just kind of masks and barely takes away the edge. And this has been completely different for her. So she is just in complete awe.
Oh, I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. Excellent.
I know.
So, if you want to learn how to activate your original master smart cells, this is non-transdermal, non-invasive. There's no medicine. This is over-the-counter. Made in FDA registered facilities. It's a class 1 medical device under the general wellness category. We even have patients that use these through surgery. Johns Hopkins University, brain, neck, and spine surgeons have their patients wear these. So, my friends and gems, if you want to learn more, you can call me on my hotline. It's an unmonitored hotline. Give me 24 hours to get back to you. You can leave a verbal message, or you can text. Either way, I always get a text message. I have to check my computer, of course, to see that. And then I'll get back to you. We can jump on a phone call, or we can jump on a Zoom, whatever you prefer. All right? And that number is 1-949-478-2221. If you prefer to send me an email, you can go to intuitionmanifesto.com, and you could send me a message there through the contact an email for that website. All right. Take care. Talk to you soon. You can also connect with me on Facebook. You'll see all the many Facebook Lives that I do there on a daily basis. Facebook.com/Lillian I. Walker. Take care and ciao for now.